Natural history for beginners.
The Earth looked very different at the beginning of the Paleozoic period 540 million years ago. However, as we move time forwards, hundreds of millions of years, you'll notice the landmasses moving around, separating and colliding, until we get to the continents we know today. But why does this happen? Well, unsurprisingly, the answer lies deep beneath the continents, in the mantle, which is the thickest layer of the Earth. The mantle is mostly made up of solid rock. However, it's not like the brittle rock we have on the surface. Think of the mantle as being an extremely thick putty. On a short timescale, it is a solid. However, over millions of years, it is able to deform and move around. And it does move. The reason behind this is due to the Earth's core. At up to 6,000 degrees Celsius, it heats the mantle, softening it and causing it to rise up and spread at the surface. And as it cools nearer the surface, it becomes more hard and dense and sinks towards the core again. This causes what is known as convection currents. Floating on the surface of the mantle is the outermost layer, the crust. The crust isn't one single part. It's broken, like an eggshell, into a number of pieces called tectonic plates. And there are two kinds of crust: oceanic crust, which is thin and dense and forms the ocean floor, and continental crust, which is thicker but less dense and forms the continents. The reason they move is due to the movement of the convection currents underneath. As the heated mantle rises and spreads, it pushes the crust apart. Where the mantle cools and falls, it pulls the crust together. The areas where these dramatic events take place are known as boundaries, and depending on the type of boundary, whether it is a convergent boundary or a divergent boundary, it moves the tectonic plates in different directions, and the results of which form different natural formations, like mountain ranges, island chains, volcanoes, and undersea trenches. It is because of the constant turbulent mantle and how it affects the boundaries of the tectonic plates that we have the continents we know today.